G'day guys, Galaxy here. Just thought I'd give you a quick little rundown on the website that I use for planning all these trips. I use Ride with GPS. It's a really great website for planning, shows you elevations, distances and all that sort of stuff. I can download the GPX file, I can load that on my Garmin, I can download the maps on the app on my phone as well, so I've got backup navigation if my Garmin fails. This is the ride you're about to see, which is a loop out of Forest and then from Forest back to Ocean Grove through the Otways, Lawn, Aries Inlet, all those sorts of places. So yeah, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. I'd ridden the old Beachy Rail Trail before, but Andy hadn't, so we did the old Beachy Rail Trail in the daytime this time, which was very pleasant. And stayed Dando's campsite. That's a really great campsite. And also Big Hill campsite is another really good campsite in the Otways, well worth checking out. Hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Annie's just loitering in the playground over there. Bike's looking kitted up, and then there's my bike over here. Let's hope it's not horrifically wet out there after the thunderstorms and everything we had last night. So yeah, we are ready to roll. It's actually turned into a nice day, so we are heading out of Forest. Yeah, a little wake up into the Yalta trailhead. Yalta, Yorga,
Yalfa,
Yaguffa,
Yuffa,
the Yuffa trailhead. Something like that. I was just saying how nice is Forest. Can't help but partaking some of this when you're in Forest. Yeah, bend it. Yeah. Oh, Forest is nice. G'day mate, how are you? Good to be out on the trails again in summertime, eh? That is the sign we like to see. Squiggly descent signs, let's go! Righto, we just turned onto the old Beachy Rail Trail now. Cruising into Jellybrand. We'll be camping by that one later tonight, somewhere upstream. Yeah, let's go to Jellybrand and check out the coffee situation, which I know from last time is pretty damn good. Hello little friend. So what are you guys doing?
Yeah. Seem to be very confused.
Yeah. So I usually sit here all day long and there's no one around. You don't fall down, that wouldn't look good for the... Maybe that's what he's been trying to do.
Oh, maybe it is, yeah.
Is it steep there for you, mate?
Maybe he's old.
Oh.
Because usually, you know, they take a run at it and they're right up.
Come on, you can do it. Go, go, you can do it, yes.
Come on.
You're almost there, mate. That's the way.
Oh, well done.
Good work, buddy.
Yeah.
Powered up there.
Legend.
Yeah. You deserve a rest there, mate. Ah, very good. So last time I did the old BT rail trail with Vince, I was riding past this part and thinking, I wish I had a drone. How cool is that tree? It's huge. We're on the road now, about 4 k's out of Beach Forest, give or take. That was our beachy rail trail. What do you reckon, Andy?
We got here, it's great.
Bloody good.
Ooh.
Let's go get a couple of beers from the pub and then bail down the hill.
Two birds come out.
I saw those.
Slowly, and I think I hit one of them.
I saw them come out. That was ridiculously fun. How good this campsite? We've got a table. Like we've got everything down here. We even have cold beer. Now you can't beat that.
And CC and dry.
And port.
Could be a late start tomorrow.
Who knows? It's only 12 k's back to Forest from here. So, yeah.
Could be a long hard 12 k's.